In this problem, we have to find the arc length for the curve y equal to sine inverse x plus under root 1 minus x square with starting point 0, 1. So first we will differentiate y with respect to x. So we get y dash, that is dy divided by dx, equal to differentiation of sine inverse x, that is 1 divided by under root 1 minus x square, plus differentiation of under root 1 minus x square, that will be equal to 1 divided by 2 1 minus x square raised to the power minus half multiplied by minus 2x, which will be equal to 1 divided by under root 1 minus x square minus x divided by under root 1 minus x square, that is 1 minus x divided by under root 1 minus x square. Next we will find the square of y dash, so we will write y dash